Hi, and welcome to a new video from Vienna. As you can see, we're starting here in Landstraße, Wien Mitte. If you're heading to Vienna Airport, this is the easiest place to begin. You can get here very easily, either by taking the U3 metro line to Landstraße or by taxi directly to Wien Mitte Mall. Once you're inside the station, just follow the signs for CAT, City Airport Train. They're clearly marked, so it's almost impossible to get lost. Now we're entering the City Airport Train Lounge. This is where you wait for the train. It's calm, clean, and very comfortable, especially if you're traveling with luggage. Here's a really useful tip. With certain airlines, you can actually check in your luggage here in the city before you even arrive at the airport. Not all airlines offer this, so make sure to check the official CAT website in advance. Once the train arrives, you simply head to the platform and board. And as you'll see, the train itself feels very premium. The seats are spacious, there's no standing, and there are dedicated luggage racks, so everything stays organized. There are also train attendants on board, free magazines, and the entire ride runs on 100% green electricity. Children under 15 years old travel for free, which makes it a great option for families as well. And the best part is, the ride takes only 16 minutes, non-stop, straight from the city center to Vienna International Airport. And just like that, we've arrived. From here, you simply exit the train and follow the signs to your terminal. It's all very straightforward and stress-free. For the price, tickets usually cost around €14.90 one way, and in my opinion, it's absolutely worth it for the comfort and time you save. So if you're traveling to or from Vienna and want a fast, smooth, and premium airport transfer, this is one of the best options you can choose.